looking at the Philips Direct Connect one-piece ECG cable. Now this cable was brought to us today by our friends over at cablesandsensors.com. So let's jump right into it. What about this cable? Well, this cable is a 5-lead as opposed to a 3-lead. What does that mean? It means that from the nylon yoke down, you have 5 leads. You can see those 5 leads are going to correspond with the right arm, the left arm, the intercostal space, the right leg, and the left leg. Again, you can get this in 3-lead. Now, if I follow the leads down to where I'd put my disposable electrodes, I'll realize that this is a snap model. So here's option number 2. I can get a snap model cable or I can get a clip model cable. What's the difference? Well, the difference is this. Here's my disposable electrode. Here is my snap. I'm going to put the two together and there it is. They're snapped into place. Now, if I were using this in a hospital setting, I would take my electrode and I would snap it onto my lead. I would remove the adhesive backing and put it right on my patient. Now, if I had to replace the lead for some sort of reason, I would have to hold kind of the electrode in place, kind of unsnap that, and then when I got ready to snap the lead back on, I would have to press against the patient. Maybe not the most comfortable thing that you want to do. So that might be why I would get the clip leads, because then I can take the sensor, I can take the electrode, I can press the electrode right there on my patient, and then I can just clip the sensor to it, unclip, clip, unclip, clip. You get the idea. Again, this is the 5-lead as opposed to the 3-lead. Another thing you'll want to know about this Philips Direct Connect is that this cable is a one-piece, meaning that all the way from the nylon plug, which mind you features 12 gold-plated pins, to your snaps for your electrodes, it's one piece, and that's made out of a nylon thermoplastic polyurethane. So why would you want to get a trunk model or a 2-piece model? Well, you might want to get it, okay, imagine you have a patient who's just, wiggling and moving around all night long. They're tossing and they're turning. They're going to put a lot of wear and tear on this cable. So if you have a trunk model, then all you've got to worry about replacing is the leads. You don't have to replace the entire cable, which, mind you, is 90 inches long, or about 7.5 feet, and about 1/4 inch in diameter. So again, we're looking right now at the one-piece Philips ECG cable. It's got 5 leads, and it is AHA compatible, which means it is approved by the American Heart Association.